when everything you tried has failed, do not lose hope in Allah. That is the gravest of sins. Ibrahim alayhi salam, when the two angels come to him and they say to him, you're going to have a son, Allah has gifted you this son. He says, me? How can I have a son? And they say to Ibrahim, La takun minal qanitin. Do not ever be a person who loses hope from Allah. And Ibrahim alayhi salam says, وَمَن يَقْنَطُ مِن رَحْمَةِ رَبِّهِ إِلَّا الضَّالُّونَ. Nobody loses hope in Allah except people who are lost. Many of us sitting here have lost hope in Allah. We have been asking Him, we have been pleading Him, we have been trying, and nothing's happening, and we lose hope. You have not lost more hope than Zakaria after 100 years of trying to have a child. You have not lost more hope than Ayub after decades of chronic illness. You have not lost more hope than Ibrahim, whose father threw him into a fire. You have not lost more hope than the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, who buried his mother with his hands, who buried his son with his hands, who buried his uncle with his hands. How many of his loved ones died in front of his own eyes? And yet, after all of that, they never lost hope in Allah. And so Allah always, after a long wait and a long patience, He opened the door to them.